Okay. All right. We got a super chat here from James. Thoughts on Uniswap token? How high can it go? Okay. I mean, very, very bullish on Uniswap. We think this is, I mean, the most used application in all of DeFi. Because if we go here to DeFi pulls, as Bill pulls up TA on that, if we go to Dexes, Uniswap is in the lead. Now, honestly, I'm bullish on both Uniswap and 1inch Exchange. I do have both tokens. I think those two to me really epitomize DeFi and then DeFi 2.0. Uniswap is launching version 3, which will be a lot more faster, lower gas fees, just a better application that can scale. So I think that's gonna be a game changer when that launches. And then if you also add in 1inch Exchange, which they don't really compete, but they're in the same space, right? Because 1inch Exchange, you can also use Uniswap. So I'm not selling my Uni tokens anytime soon. To me, that's a long-term play. I think Uniswap right now, it's been hovering around top 20 market cap. I think that can go top 10. I mean, maybe even top 5, because if you're just looking at pure utility, it's a very, I mean, it's the future of crypto and DeFi. People will be trading on Uniswap more so than they do Coinbase. I mean, unless there's SEC regulation that comes in and just shuts down the party, right? I think Uniswap is just going to crush it. So very, very bullish on that long term. Bill?
Okay, the answer to how high can Uniswap go, the short answer is 30. Okay, so one of the things that I've seen in DeFi is that once a move starts to extend itself and you're able to use these Fibonacci extension tools, okay, you have to just use your imagination, right? So if Uniswap is the future, if Uniswap's going to do, basically become like a new paradigm, in other words, Uniswap as a token is mispriced. It doesn't reflect the incredible bullish reality that may be out there. So the way I'm going to do it is, I think if Uniswap can take out 18, okay, and really take it out, or maybe it's 20, then I think it just starts moving in $10 increments, right? So if it's above 18 or 20, it could go to 30, right? And if it's going to go to 30, then we could be in some mega bull cycle and it could go to 40. Now, these type of moves would unfold most likely if you got Bitcoin in consolidation and chill mode. I don't think you can get Uniswap at 30 or 40 with Bitcoin moving to 60K. So I think these type of moves, where you'd be looking for Uniswap to hit a price target of 30 or 40, you need Bitcoin to chill out in order for that to happen.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.